Howdy, Don Armstrong here with this week's car review. Had a chance to drive the 2023 Mazda CX-30 just for you. The available trim levels on this vehicle are the 2.5-liter S, the Select, the Preferred, the Carbon Edition, the Premium, the 2.5 Turbo Premium, and the 2.5 Turbo Premium Plus. I had the 2.5 Turbo all-wheel drive with the Premium Plus package. It has 5 places to put people, including the driver. Exterior changes, all new in 2020. By the way, this is an extra small SUV, in case you didn't know. Exterior features include an aerodynamic overall design. It really looks like it could go on the racetrack. It does have the familiar Mazda grille. Does have black plastic wheel opening trim that gives it an off-road kind of look, although it's not. Sloping rear hatch and integrated black chin spoiler. What I liked about it, the overall exterior design, very attractive. What could use improvement? Make the wheel opening trim just a bit smaller because it's big. Interior highlights include a very attractive, well laid out dash. The infotainment screen sits atop the dash in a little pocket, so you can't really touch it because it's not touch controlled. It's controlled by a knob on the center console. I'm not a big fan of that. It works well, but the radio, all of the gizmos that are inside the infotainment center are a little bit difficult to find, especially when you're traveling down the freeway at 70 miles an hour. It does offer a two-tone interior that really adds some pizzazz to the interior ambiance. Now, as far as cargo trunk room is concerned, with the second row seat up, you got a little bit of room back there to maybe have a small piece of luggage or two. That's about it. Put the second row seat down, and it opens things up quite a bit. What I liked about it? Everything except that standalone infotainment screen controlled via the knob. Touchscreen, please, is what I'm asking for. It has a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that delivers 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. It's got plenty of horsepower. It drives all wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now, as far as gas mileage is concerned, not too bad. 22 city, 30 highway for a combined of 25. My combo got 25.9 over 290 miles. Granted, most of my mileage is done on the South Sam Houston Tollway. What I liked? Plenty of power from this premium engine. The standard engine only has 191 horses, but it should be fine for most. It works well with that 6-speed automatic. Ride and handling? Well, it rides like a Mazda 3 sedan, which mechanically is the same as this CX-30. Now, here's the pricing on it. Base trim price is $35,400. Prices tested, $36,810. The base model price is only $22,950. Good luck in trying to find one of those. The competitors include the VW Taos, which is $24,155. The Buick Encore goes for $25,900, the base price. And the base price on the Hyundai Kona is $22,140. Overall, I really like this vehicle. It can be a little bit pricey when you get to the top of the line trim with all-wheel drive, like my tester was. Mine was also deep crystal blue mica, and I'll tell you what, Mazda really does a great job on their paint jobs. It's something certainly to look at if you're shopping for an extra small SUV. I gave you the comparisons. Go out there, shop, have a good time, drive it. I think you'll like it. And that's this week's car review.